Hello crypto fanatics. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Crypto Dinosaur. I am Cryptosaur. You've come to the right place for the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency news, instruction, and commentary. This channel is intended for education and entertainment purposes only. You should always do your own research and due diligence before deciding to invest in any cryptocurrencies. This video is best viewed horizontally if watched on a mobile device. Enjoy today's new episode. With the price of Bitcoin continuing to rise, its media coverage has also increased dramatically. Even as Bitcoin has revolutionized the world by reinventing money, few are aware of the wave of innovation going on in the world of decentralized finance, just next door. By providing financial services without any institution in the middle, decentralized finance, or DeFi, attempts to democratize all types of financial services. Consider a system that lends and borrows money directly from a protocol, without the involvement of a bank. You can trade crypto, buy and sell stocks, and leverage options and futures without a brokerage. Without an insurance company, you can get insurance. As the name suggests, DeFi protocols are a set of code that has all the rules required to provide a financial service without the need for people or companies. First, let's look at the problems with traditional financial services so we can understand decentralized finance and the DeFi revolution. Have you ever wondered why wire transfers and checks take so long to clear? Infrastructure for existing financial services is decades old. Payments made via wire transfer, credit cards, checks and even stock purchases take several days to clear because the technology they use requires a great deal of verification to find out whether it was transferred successfully. Despite the fact that some applications make it appear that the transaction will be complete in an instant, it takes days for the underlying transaction to be completed. A single transaction must be cleared through traditional payment rails, which involves banks, clearing houses, insurance companies, and others. A whole industry revolves around ensuring successful transactions. In spite of all these institutions, a third of the world's population remains unbanked, and vast numbers of people do not have access to basic financial services such as loans, insurance, equity markets, etc. How does DeFi work and what does it accomplish? It would be terrific to have access to all of the same financial services anywhere in the world through a smartphone in a way that is considerably more secure and foolproof, with no middlemen or overhead involved. By using blockchain and cryptography, decentralized finance can offer the same services to anyone in the world without inefficiencies or middlemen. An extraordinary feature of the internet is that it's the same wherever you are. DeFi offers the same services as financial institutions do, such as loans and borrowing. If you have money in an American bank account, you'll earn less than 1% in interest per year. It isn't even enough to beat inflation. Many people in various parts of the world are unable to get loans, even when they are willing to pay high interest rates and provide collateral. Some of the biggest DeFi projects attempted to resolve this problem through arbitration. By staking your coins with the project, you can provide others with collateralized loans. People who really need them pay you anywhere from 10% to 100% APY, and all this happens automatically through codes without middlemen charging huge fees. Isn't this much better than that high-yield savings account offering 1.2%? Several projects have very conservative financing, but the risk level varies from project to project. Collateral is required for all protocols. Having access to capital and financial services like this can literally transform people's lives in many parts of the world. Code determines everything, so there can never be discrimination. No matter who you are, whether you're an American bank or an artist struggling to make ends meet, the money you have is the same as that of a billionaire, because it is being moved around by computer software. Errors or discrimination do not exist. Blockchain systems are called trustless because of this. There's no need to rely on a middleman. As code is law, everyone can see the code for these financial services in most of these projects. Codes that everyone can see are far better than financial services operated at the discretion of bank employees. In fact, one of the most popular DeFi protocols is called Uniswap, a decentralized exchange that allows people to trade tokens using a system known as liquidity pools. Liquidity is provided for the entire market by a few parties. Liquidity providers earn a commission on any trade between these two tokens by depositing equal amounts of two tokens. For tokens with low trading volumes, this has a lot of advantages over an order book exchange. Additionally, it enables individuals to monetize their existing assets. Like Legos, the DEFI ecosystem is full of projects that plug and play together. In the same way that open source allows developers to use other people's code to improve their own apps, DeFi Legos are accelerating the decentralized financial ecosystem's growth. As each new project is launched, new possibilities open up for the entire ecosystem. Each project may compete with others, but because they work well together, each adds enormous value to the ecosystem as a whole. It's an open platform that makes money programmable, trustless, censorship-resistant, and allows participants to earn income through participation. Currently, most DeFi projects are running on the Ethereum blockchain. Decentralized finance is a revolution in finance that will render traditional banking obsolete by vastly improving efficiency, cooperation, and scale for those that adopt it. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe now, so you don't miss any of my future Crypto Dinosaur episodes. If the notification bell below is still red, be sure to smash it and select all notifications. Also like this video and leave a comment below. This will help the YouTube algorithm continue to bring you my outstanding content. See you again soon and come back tomorrow to stay up to date with the latest and greatest from the Crypto Dinosaur.